What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's midday market recap. Starting a little late than usual, so my apologies for getting the late start, but it's Friday, hey, whatever. I just wanted to get things in order because a lot's going on within our WeTrade HQ platform. So let me just start by saying, my name is Brad, and I primarily trade over-the-counter stocks, but I do run a platform surrounded around all types of traders, no matter what part of the market that you're trading in. We have a platform that's absolutely free to join. It's called WeTrade HQ. We have other mentors within that platform that are specialized in different areas of the market. So even though that I primarily trade over-the-counter stocks, we have others that trade big board stocks, Forex, options, you name it. And today, I wanted to showcase one of our own who shorted on Tesla. So we'll get to that. But I also wanted to kind of backtrack a little bit to yesterday's video, how I was talking about trading with emotion, and also how CMGO, lots of people were hating on it yesterday, and how it's up highs of 86%. So I'm not going to say I told you so, but I told you so. It's one of those things, guys. You have to just kind of understand and know the experiences that some of us have had with these types of plays, and the psychology behind a lot of it. It's a lot to handle, and I'm not trying to like come down on anybody or anything like that. It's just kind of funny. It's like, man, when stuff happens like you expect it to, it's like it makes you look like a genius, and then when it doesn't, you're like an idiot, right? But fortunately, this time it did, and we'll get to Tesla as well. So let me welcome some folks in here. Josh, Chen, Bianco, Blade Runner, what's going on? Tara, nice to see you. Haven't seen you in a while. Sheila and Jason, nice to see you folks today. Sorry, it's Friday, guys. Let me get through this. So let's go ahead. I'll share my screen with you. If you are not familiar with WeTrade HQ, well, this is my scanner setup, so my apologies for that. But if you're not familiar with WeTrade HQ, this is it here. So CMGO, guys, we were talking about this yesterday, and just the monster run that it had right just before the close on Wednesday evening because of the settlement news, the potential $200 million settlement that's going through, and the documents that came out indicating that that settlement has officially been met. One of our veteran traders, Once Broke Mama, gave us a huge breakdown of this on CMGO. She has been fantastic with a lot of these court case plays, and a lot of people were bummed out. It had runs of well over 100% on Wednesday, right before the close, came down about 35, even had lows of about 40% yesterday. And lots of people were bummed out, and you guys were kind of hating on it quite a bit. But I was trying to explain to you, to have a little bit more patience with this and not get so scared out and be emotional with your trades. The documents don't lie. And so when the settlement goes through, people get excited about it. And so what my theory was that people were holding on to CMGO for so long that any kind of run that occurred, those folks that have been holding on for so long is what we call bag holders, were ready to just get out. Okay, it didn't matter what the catalyst was. They were like, I've held onto this for so long, I'm ready to get out. And that's what happened here. So CMGO, all these were just probably folks that have been holding on for so long. Maybe there were some quick flippers in there, who knows. But people that were trading this long term saw the potential here. And obviously, it's starting to make a nice little run back up. If you look at right now, CMGO is up 60%. It's had highs of over 0.006. So I anticipate probably a penny run or more in the very near future once we find out how much they actually settled for and all that good stuff. These court cases can lead to major and monster runs, guys. It's definitely nice to see that all come together. So there you go with CMGO. Now let's go to Tesla. So obviously the title of this video today was all about Tesla. Tesla, Elon Musk announced that they were cutting about 7% of their full-time employees to focus on making their automobile, mainly the Model 3, more affordable. Even though they had, I think Tesla sold the most vehicles in America as far as the Model 3 goes. I think they sold like almost 250,000 of them. And so it's been quite an amazing run, but they want to cut 7% of their employees, which devalues the stock in particular. And so I wanted to give Willis African Emporium a shout out. So this is our Discord chat room, and we have an area where you can post your profits. And I wanted to just give him some love today because, as you can see, he shorted Tesla today right at 9:30 and has been riding this down all the way down. He shorted 200 shares, made a quick $2,000 in less than an hour. Amazing play so far. I haven't been able to find out if he had covered that just yet. If he hasn't, then he's made well beyond $2,000 so far on Tesla. Been an amazing run for him. Now, just to note that African Emporium, aka Willis, is one of our mentors. He provides educational and mentoring services for WeTrade HQ, and he offers that for very low rates. I think it's like $29.99 a month. Doesn't cost that much at all, and obviously it can more than pay for itself if you guys are interested in checking that out. I also left the description a link for that down in the description below, and he is just off the chain smart. He's a highly intelligent guy. So happy that we have him aboard within the WeTrade HQ family. And if you're not a part of that, I highly encourage you to check that out as well. If this is your first time watching this video, give me a nice little subscribe if you want to see more quality content such as this and understand how I find value within the over-the-counter market. That's primarily what this channel covers. But having said that, I do have this business, this company that I started. It's called WeTrade HQ. So if you are interested in not just trading over-the-counter stocks, but if you know Willis, or if you're familiar with African Emporium, he has a YouTube channel as well. Don't take my word for it. Go and do some research on your own. The guy is amazing. He's amazingly smart. And as you can tell, folks that are chiming in on Willis, he is just an amazing dude, and just, I don't know, real down to earth and willing to help you no matter what. So check it out. It's at WeTradeHQ.com. Again, it is a platform designed for anybody who wants to trade anything, and it's all under one roof. And if you see value within over-the-counter stocks, great. If you see value in shorting stocks, awesome. If you want to trade big boards, or if you are looking to trade options, Forex, cryptocurrencies even though it's been kind of bleak over in the crypto world, if any of that interests you, no matter what area in the market that you want to trade, WeTrade HQ is going to be the place for you guys. I cannot tell you enough. It's absolutely free to be a part of. We have a great family of over 2,600 members worldwide, and we are growing every single day, and I love it. So, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I certainly would appreciate a nice little thumbs up if you like this video, if you like the content and like to see people winning every day. Don't forget to smash that like button. So, having said that, I normally have a follow-up Friday, but you guys didn't seem to be so receptive to that, so I'm going to probably retire follow-up Friday, only because not a lot of folks show up to that, and maybe I'll kind of incorporate that on my midday market recaps from now on. But I didn't want to keep these too long either. So you guys let me know. Leave some comments down below what you think about that and what your thoughts are. If you want to see it, great. If not, then we'll figure something else out. This is an ever-evolving process, right? So it's whatever you guys want to see is what I'm going to be putting up here on this channel. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in today. I hope you all have a great weekend. And as always, I will see you all before the bell. Friendly reminder, stock market's closed on Monday. So having said that, I will still be there for Stock Watch Sunday. And yeah, anyway, B Smith is out. Have a good weekend, folks.